Hello and welcome back to my channel. It's Aya here and I am so excited for today's video because I have got a brand new die set by Tonic Studios to share with you. It's called Christmas Gift Boxes and includes 32 different dies. This set features the stocking gift box, the candy cane gift box, and of course decorative elements like berry leaves, two bow shapes, and the star of the show, the gingerbread man. What I love about these dies is their versatility. Not only can you make adorable gift boxes, but the layering size allow you to create shaped card as well. And I will be showing you just how to do that today. In this tutorial, I will create several cards to show you the versatility of these dies. The same techniques I use for the gingerbread man can be applied to the stocking or candy cane shapes. Also, be sure to check out other creations by Tonic Studios designer for more inspiration. To create a shaped card, we will use a partial die cutting technique. First, fold your cardstock in half to make a top folding card. I'm using the second largest die from the gingerbread set, placing it on the front of the card so that the top edge hangs off the score line slightly. Then run it through the die cutting machine. This cuts through both layers of the folded cardstock but keeps the fold intact, giving you a shaped card base. Now let's cut the gingerbread. I'm using light brown cardstock. Pretty sure it's by Lawn Fawn, but I will have all the products names and links in the description box below. Then I will die cut the icing layer or the rickrack layer out of dark brown cardstock using adhesive sheets by Tonic Studios for easy peeling and sticking. For some fun contrast, I'll be using hot pink cardstock to cut out the buttons and the bow, and use white cardstock for the face details. Now, let's take a look at the finished cards. I had really fun creating with this die. First, I made this card. This is the leftover from this die. This is like the rickrack, so this die will cut the rickrack and this ginger. So I said, you know what, I'm not going to waste it, so I used it. Here's the faces that I think this, which face? Yeah, there is a missing face. Why? Because my son, he was also hooked and he created these gingers, so he was playing with my die. So I have this die is missing somewhere. I'm sure I'm going to find it, hopefully. So yeah, I said, you know, let me show you his creation. Okay, then for the buttons, I used Nuvo Drops, but in the darker color. Also, my son used it.
One eternity later.
Use this color, this one, the color called Autumn Red. So this is for the button. And the gingerbread hug stamp is from Creative Expression. Yeah, here, gingerbread hugs. Okay. The second card, which is a shaped card, I used the largest die, and this is the ginger, the rickrack, the buttons, and the black one I used for the eyes. I used Nuvo Drops, and this is a shaped card, so you can open it and write your message here, or print, you know, or stamp a sentiment. Okay, the third card is this one, and for some reason I love this one. So I used this like, I don't know, I was thinking like caramelized gingerbread, so I used this color. I don't know what's the name of the color. These all just random paper stock in my stash, so I don't know the names. They're created using white cardstock. The buttons I use glitter drops. Last but not least, this is also a shaped card, so I stamp the sentiment here, and when you open it you will find two happy gingerbread men. So cute. So you can really create a shaped card either using from the side or from the top, or just cut it into half and put it in a card, or use the leftover from the crack die. Please don't forget to check the other designers because they use the other dies, you know, to create a box. I didn't create boxes this time, but I really had fun time creating these cute gingers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.